Hello and welcome to another episode jam-packed with action and death-defying feats, or just a bored guy that got done with his chores a little early today. And so I, of course, am headed off into the wilderness, the deep, dark Mount Hood National Forest on a paved road. I'm pretty sure I don't even have the hubs locked in. So there's that. So in my other videos, I've kind of mentioned it, alluded to it, talked about it. I think I made a video on the speed sensor in the back of the rear differential. I replaced the plug to the said speed sensor. It cured one or two of the symptoms that I was having, one of which was the overdrive light was flashing on my gear stick, and that's usually an indicator of that because this is an electronically controlled transmission. Then I got to thinking about it, and my trans fluid didn't look very good, and so we're kind of at a breakover, you and I, me being the owner of this car. And several people I've consulted have told me that, you know, the way a Ford E4OD transmission lets you know that it is not long for this world is after you drive it for a period of time, it begins to shift hard and do some of the symptoms that I was experiencing. Because this car right now, perfectly functional for kind of what I do, which is running around town and jamming around on back roads for an hour, hour and a half. But then it starts to kind of slip and shift hard. So I thought, throwing caution to the wind, I would just go ahead and change the transmission fluid. Which, if I think of it, there's a Ford technician on YouTube who did a very good tutorial on that. I didn't film me doing it, mostly because I was covered with ATF by the end of it, and I didn't have a camera handy, and I just didn't want to do that. So it involves removing the pan out of the bottom of the transmission, replacing the transmission fluid, installing a new filter and gasket, that stuff, which has now been done. But I have to take it around, and that's why you're joining me today. And I'm just going to go on a little scenic test drive. This is awesome. So this is kind of what we're dealing with here. In fact, if I can get this tripod down here around ground level, I'll show you what I just backed into. So it doesn't look like much of a hole, right? Well, yes. I just backed into this culvert hole, and it's awesome. Well, limited success. I've narrowed down some possible problems, but I just completed a, I don't know, 2.5 or 3 hour drive, drove in a hole, shot some cool footage, and the majority of the time the car went perfectly. It wasn't until I got on my street that it started shifting a little differently. I did notice on the highway the cruise control quit working, so I don't know if that's related or not, but I'm tending toward more issues. But for right now, she's up, she's running. I drove it around for 2.5 or 3 hours. And so anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll probably see you again soon. Make more useless content. So I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're a good human, and we'll talk to you soon. This mic sucks.